That's the best way I've tried it.
What did you feel about learning the history relative to the characterization?
It was mind blowing.
Okay.
It was mind blowing because like a lot of black males didn't get honored like that. You know what I'm saying? Like I even look at a lot of the veterans now. Like I know a veteran who was homeless. Like
Okay.
why is this veteran is homeless? Like he can't get into a shelter nowhere. He has no place to stay. He has, you know, he's had dementia or stuff like that, and he just what is it after the war?
Post-traumatic stress.
Post-traumatic stress.
Yeah.
Like they have no care plan for them.
Yeah.
I feel like it's wrong.
Yeah.
Okay.
But
The reason that question always intrigues me is because having worked as an actor at one point or another in my life, it's always about putting the emotion and all of that. But when you hear the story behind the character, whether it's a composite or a real person like Alexander Jefferson, who lives here, who was a Tuskegee Airman, so you can get those first person accounts often here in Detroit. But as an actor who has to bring that to life, that's a heck of a job. That's a heavy load. That's a heavy load because you're bringing history and you're bringing a personality that was denied a lot of stuff. You know.
I think that when you teach on a dramatic level, you change the way a person looks at the lesson. And when you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. So therefore, you're not just looking at a book or lack of a book in our case, but you're actually looking at a dramatic presentation of what really happens, which kind of puts you there on a personal level.
Yes. Speak as that character. You know, you always want to make sure you can stay in that place because you don't want to lose the power of that.
And the fact is that even though we weren't depicted in the history books, I was always taught that anything that happens is either an opportunity for growth or an obstacle for your growth. And you get a chance to decide which one